Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. And today we are talking about the TREX miner. Okay, so apparently the GitHub for TREX miner, the account has been suspended or banned. I don't know. Anyway, the page is down. So you can no longer download TREX miner from GitHub, the official TREX miner at GitHub. No big deal. A little bit of FUD went around. Some people are nervous. That's understandable. I saw this. It got posted by Nicehash. Hold on. Let's see here. Boom. This did not get posted by Nicehash. This is the actual TREX miner GitHub 404. Error 404. This page or the web page you're looking for is not here. Blah, blah, blah. This is not the web page. Old Star Wars reference there. This is not the web page you're looking for. It's gone. So, Nicehash came out with this. TREX plugin is temporarily disabled. I'm still in the old Star Wars mood, the old saber in it. But the plugin is temporarily disabled for new installs in Nicehash Miner. So if you update or if you download a new copy of Nicehash Miner, it's not going to have TREX. They did this preemptively because they are worried about the liability of a TREX miner not from the official GitHub. Understandable. Do I think it's a little maybe premature? Maybe. I don't know. But I understand where they're coming from. They want to keep their users safe, all that kind of thing. If you still want to get it, which TREX miner is good in my opinion, and I did a little bit more digging, and over on Ether mining, somebody posted that TREX official actually replied to this in their Discord. And on the new update, this was on 4/24. This was actually, wow, that was quite a while ago. This was actually posted, but apparently it hasn't made news till now. Oh, this was edited. So this version on 4/24, because this just happened, like they just got, yeah. So they edited this, and our GitHub account has been suspended. So please use the following links below, and they have a Dropbox link and a disk.yandex. It looks like a privately hosted link. But this is the official TREX, so everything should be on the up and up, and I don't think anybody's actually worried about it. TREX is making his good commissions, just like every other, closed source miner that has their little bit of fee, whatever, 0.5%, 1%. I don't know what TREX is. But I don't think anything is aloof or afoot, or, all there's speculation and FUD going around. If you use TREX, you can go get TREX still. Everything's good there. Don't need to worry about anything. If you're worried about it, just switch over to a different miner. Simple. It's pretty cut and dry. All these people had all these like tinfoil hat ideas. Tin hat foil. Man, I'm talking backwards. Like, oh well, it's doing this to that and then this, and it's a different miner now. And I'm like, well, if it's a different miner now, just use the old TREX miner. Or switch to a different miner. Like, the answer here is so simple. But anyway, guys, I wanted to just clear that up because a lot of people were asking about it, especially people that were worried after they read the Nicehash blog update. This actually came a day and a half ago. Yeah, day and a half ago. So they were, just a little worried. Understandable. No alarm here. These are not the droids you are looking for. Just whatever. How about that ETC, guys? All right. That's the end of the video. 4 minutes. That's efficient. Since we're still here, let's go on to CoinMarketCap. Let's see what's doing. What's the old daggone market doing today? If anybody turns my videos on and just listens to the audio, I'll make sure to explain everything, because sometimes I listen to audio and it kind of bugs me when people are showing me stuff, but they don't read it out, so I can't actually hear it. But as of right now, which it's 12 a.m. on, it is May 6th. Wow, it's already chugging along. 12 a.m. on May 6th, Bitcoin is $57,328. Ethereum's right behind it at 3,493. In third place, Binance Coin BNB. Man, this coin has been doing crazy stuff. $645. Would not have believed that would be up there a year ago, 6 months ago. And then behind that, another coin that I had no idea it would actually ever amount to anything is Dogecoin, 61 cents. The meme coin cannot die. You can't kill it. XRP Ripple, $1.71. Cardano's in 7th at $1.52. Litecoin's holding up that 10th position at $345. Yes, Litecoin is $345. All those Havening boys back in the day talking about Litecoin's going to double. Well, here it is. It's finally more than doubled. So, were you wrong? Not necessarily. Just the timing might have been wrong. So, yeah. Lots of stuff going on. Lots of people making lots of money. Where's ETC at? Oh, yeah. Ethereum Classic. $95, ladies and gentlemen. Ethereum Classic. Man, people made a lot of money on this. I mean, Ethereum Classic was in January. It was $5. Why? Why is it up so much? It makes no sense. It makes no sense. I don't know. Anyway, hope you guys have a good one. Peace out. Take it easy. For real. You know what time it is. We got to go. All that stuff. Bye.